Are you still tracking employee attendance manually? What if I told you there is a smarter way to automate the entire process in just a few clicks? So, hello everyone, welcome back to the Developer Viewpoint. I am Ansul. Today I'll walk through a powerful attendance management system that I built using React, Node, Express, and MongoDB. It's designed to simplify employee tracking for both admin and HR teams. So now, in this project, what problem I have been solved? Let's go through on that. In traditional attendance management system are very slow, error prone, make payroll calculation a headache. In this project, solve those problems with automated attendance system, role-based access for employees and admins, report and analytics for HR teams. Right. Now let's quickly show you how it works. So guys, we'll start with the login page. The system supports multiple roles, admin, HR and employees. Each role has different access level. I'll log in as an admin to give you the complete view of all the pages. Okay, once you have been landed the dashboard screen, here you can see total user, total team, organization, today's attendance, quick action. Some tabs are there, so you will go to on that pages. Some notifications are there, so you will able to check the what is going on your project. Okay, here are three major masters are there, like organization, teams and users. When you go to the organization tab, the all organization list are showing here. You are able to edit and update the existing organization, as well as you can add the new organization. Okay, when you go to the teams tab, you are able to edit the existing team, as well as you are able to add the new team. Okay, like their name, their organization description, manager, and their total number of members. Okay, their active status also you are able to update. So guys, after that, when I go to the user tab, here you can see the all number of users, their role, teams, last login, and some actions are there like edit and delete. Okay, here you are also able to add the new user, their name, email, password, role, and active status, and which team he is belonging from. Okay, so now the three master has been completed. Now I am going to the self attendance system. When I go to this page, here now I am going to select my team, like I am from the development team. So I am going to check my check-in time and check-out time. Okay, now I have been already checked in, so it is already noted like 9 a.m. Now I am going to check out, like it's been 3:58. So it will be automatically consider your working hour. All the things will be worked at the automatically. Okay, now I am going to the mark attendance tab. When I go to the choose a team, I am going to select a development team. Here I am able to check their status and check their absence or presence things in the same page. Like after I am going to attendance record, here I am able to see the all attendance like in the same page: user, their team, date, status, time detail, working hour, notes, dates. Okay, now we will go to the interesting thing of this project, like report. So guys, here you can see the filter of from and to date, team wise filter, total date, average attendance, total late, and total absent. Okay, there is some statistics, so you will check for the your business perspectives, team performance. Like if you want to give some rewards on the particular team, so you will check on this analytics. Okay, after that, status distribution is also there, monthly statistics, individual user performance. Like if someone has been performing their best, so you will make it some reward from the here. Okay, so guys, that's it for the demo of this project. So once you land on this GitHub repository, here you can see the structure of this project. Like for front end, I have used React, Vite, Tailwind CSS, Chart.js, and XOS for HTTP client. Okay, for the backend, Node.js Express for web framework, MongoDB for dashboard, and Mongoose for ODM. JWT bcrypt password for hashing. Okay, so all the things are here. Now you are also able to check their project structure at the same page. Okay, now if you are going to clone this project, so you will git clone on the repository URL. After that you need to change the directory to attendance management system. After that you will check out the backend branch, then install npm. Okay, after that you need to check out the front-end branch, then you need to install the npm. It will provide you the two links for backend 5000 and for frontend 5.73. Okay, so guys, what makes this project stand out? It is flexibility. You can extend it with features like leave management, shift scheduling, or biometric integration. Plus, the system is completely scalable, so it can work for small teams or large organizations. And that's a quick look at my attendance management system. I hope this demo gave you a clear idea of how it works and how it can save hours of manual effort every week. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more full stack projects, and check out the link in the description where I shared you the source code. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.